Hello everyone, how was your day? I guess. Okay, it's a nice day obviously. It's a good day for riding around like I'm doing, and I decided to take you along with me, not on the bike because it's one seat so you cannot sit with me, like on my phone as you're seeing right now. I got the bike behind me, I got my helmet on. I'm lazy to get it out, so yeah. So a lot of people asking and wondering, not asking, because if I'm just gonna say asking, I'm gonna lie. A lot of people wondering what I'm doing with the channel. What is my content? What is the purpose in life? Okay, never mind. Basically, this is one of the content that I'm doing is like almost daily vlogging, because I don't have a lot of time to daily vlog. It's like half day vlog, that's it, maximum. Yeah. Basically, I wanted to put a video out about the bike. So, but the thing is, I was done with the bike before even posted on YouTube, because I forget about it, to be honest. But I have some shot of it, and my finger, get out of the picture. Okay, the finger out of the picture. So basically, what is the bike? It's a D-Mac. It's a Malaysian bike because I study in Malaysia. MMU. My bike is a Malaysian brand because it's a cheap bike. I'm a student. I have budget, you know. So, but I still have big plan for that. Also, it's cheap and also on budget. But my plan for it was big, I guess, and I turned it from what I call a delivery bike to a nice bike to look at. It's a cafe racer brat scrambler build, I guess. So it's 150cc. That's it, to be honest. Delivery bike, normal bike. The thing is, like I told you, I'm a student. I got budget. How much did the bike cost me? Actually, it's like 500 ringgit. It's equal to almost $95. Yeah, $95 for that thing. Yeah, I paid in modification and everything around, let me convert, wait. Okay, I paid in modification around $230 on modification, like almost double the bike, you know. So what did that do to the bike? I have some cinematic ish, you know, footage or video for the bike. I will put you on it right now. I cut the whole frame. The frame was extending to here. Cut it all. I don't need that. I gutted it out, the air filter box and everything. Actually, I like the sound of it better without the air filter. I know there's a lot of dirt coming, but there's a filter going there soon. Of course, I used to own a Mustang, so I had to have that memory on it. Oh, seat from Honda CBX, I guess. Yeah, Honda seat. I fabricate the whole side mounted license plate. Of course, as I told you, I'm gonna make it as loud. No exhaust squad. The battery is got no cover. I'm planning to cover that. It's not, there's no problem for it, but I'm planning still to cover that. Painted red accent because the seam is black and red, so of course black and red. I got a lot of wire. I need to sort that out, but there, until now all of the major wire no problem, because here it's sunny now, but trust me, this weather get really tricky. Suddenly it's raining, you know. I got this, I think $5 bag, install it on like 20 ringgit something. Wheels already came black, so I didn't do anything. Painted this. Here it's a mess to look at, but here I hope it's nicer. I got the shifters, manual, neutral, highlight on. Speedometer I changed it to here. I put clip-on handles on it instead of the old ugly upright sitting handle. You can see I store my gloves and everything here. Aftermarket shocks on it. It's 5-speed. I know, like every time like I'm shifting, it need that 6 gear, but it's not there, so I have to stick with the 5 gears that we have. And of course, bunch of sticker which add horsepower. So I got 1, 2, 3. So basically, this bike can set a world record, I guess, the amount of sticker that I have on it.